Alright, welcome to this project. This is about making a spatula. So here's a finished one. I'll let you have a look up close. Basically it's simply for like a saucepan or a fry pan or something like that. And it's nice because it's wood, it doesn't scratch. So there it is, I've even put my name in it. And it's a relatively simple one to do. So we're going to do this. It's a great present for like Father's Day, Mother's Day or something like that as well. So to get started with this project, you obviously need a bit of wood. This one here is 315 by 76. You'll need a saw, chisel, mallet, glasses, earmuffs, sandpaper, sanding block. A bit of dowel I find works best, but you might be able to just kind of round off a square bit of wood. You'll also need a coping saw if you've got one, or if you've got something, or if you just get on a scroll saw, if you've got one of those, that will be a bit quicker, but you can do the same thing with this. A bench hook I find comes in handy, a quick grip. Quick grip. So that will come in handy, and that's it. But I've got a few templates as well, but they're available somewhere. You'll be able to get them from me. So without further ado, let's just get started.